Everest Base Camp Trek is one of the most beautiful yet challenging treks. But if you know these 20 tips before heading to Everest Base Camp Trek, it would be much easier. I have learned these lessons the hard way over my 25 plus years of organizing treks in Nepal. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could save you thousands of dollars.
Okay, drink up.
Number 1. Train like you mean it. While guiding, I saw a super fit gym person struggle at altitude, while a 70-year-old trekker did just fine. Altitude is real challenge. Train with hiking, cardio and leg endurance. Number 2. Acclimatization days are not optional. I once had a client who wanted to skip at acclimatization day in Namche and Dingboche to finish the trek sooner. But he had severe altitude sickness and had to be evacuated before reaching Labuche at 4,900 meters. Always follow the acclimatization plan. Number 3. Slow and steady win the race. I have seen the trekkers rushing on the first few days and then get sick by Dingboche, 4,400 meters. Even if you feel good, walk slowly, breathe deeply and enjoy the journey. Number 4. Choose the right season. I trekked during the monsoon. The rain never stopped. And in winter, snowfalls never stopped. And see nothing. The best season are March to May and October to December. But the weather is unpredictable. Number 5. Invest in proper gear. Some trekkers bought cheap boots from Kathmandu and by day 3 their feet were covered in blisters. Get good boots, a warm sleeping bag and layered clothing. Number 6. Water is life but expensive. At Gorakshep, a bottle of water costs around 500 Nepalese rupees. Bring a water filter or purification tablets to save money and the environment. Number 7. Food matters. Eat smart. Some of my clients ignore my advice and ate meat at 4,000 meters. He got food poisoning and had to turn back. Stick to dal bhat and vegetarian meals for safety. Number 8. Don't trust the weather. I have seen blue skies turn into snowstorm within hours. So pack layers, gloves and waterproof gear no matter how is morning weather. Number 9. Carry enough cash in local currency. I met trekkers along the trek who ran out of money and he had to borrow from strangers. No ATMs after Namche. Bring enough for food, Wi-Fi and extras. Number 10. Trekking poles save your knees. I have seen trekkers carry trekking poles in their backpacks and not use them. Big mistake. Especially useful for steep uphills and downhills. Number 11. Pack light. Every gram counts. Trekkers carry too much on their day packs and their heavy backpacks pull back them. Only carry essential for the day and the rest of the gear give it to the porters. Number 12. Sunscreen and lip balm are lifesavers. Some trekkers forget lip balm and the lips crack so badly. The sun is intense at altitude. Apply sunscreen and lip balm regularly. Number 13. Be ready for headaches and altitude symptoms. Many trekkers ignore early signs. Don't be one of them. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Keep hydrated and take medicine if needed. Number 14. Wi-Fi and charging are limited. Trekkers were expected to work remotely on the trek, but there is a higher chance of no connection. Bring a power bank and don't rely on the internet. Number 15. Be respectful of local culture. Once a trekker stepped into a Buddhist prayer flag and the locals were upset. Always walk clockwise around many stones and stupas. Number 16. Bring a small first aid kit. Recently I had a client who got bad blister on day 4. Luckily I had extra bandage. Pack the necessary first aid kits. Number 17. Helicopter scams are a real thing. Some trekkers fake altitude sickness for a free helicopter ride, but insurance companies are cracking down. Be honest, helicopter rescues should only be for real emergencies. Number 18. Mental strength is just as important as physical fitness. I have seen strong hikers quit because they struggle mentally. The trek isn't just physical. Stay positive, take it slow and enjoy the experience. Number 19. Lukla flights. Due to weather, Lukla flights often get delayed and cancelled. So make up your mind to pay extra for the helicopter or take the driving option and trek longer. In the peak season, all the Lukla flights are operating from Ramechhap Airport, which is about 4 to 5 hour drive from Kathmandu. Number 20. Guides and porters. Recommended: do not trek without a registered guide. If you trek without guide, your insurance may not cover for any emergency. Hiring a porter will be a great idea. You may think you are strong enough, but altitude makes you exhausted. And with a big load on backpack, the trek won't be joyful. Bonus tip: get the right travel insurance. A helicopter evacuation can cost over $5,000. Ensure your insurance covers trekking up to 6,000 meters and emergency evacuation. Now, you are truly prepared for Everest Base Camp. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more trekking advice. Have a question? Drop them in the comments. I had love to help. See you in the mountains.